recording.
Ma'am, start.
Yes.
Good morning. I am Namira Wasim, a respected ma'am, dear friend and audience. Today I am going to present myself to discuss the importance of business finance. Business finance. Business finance is the lifeblood of business. Business finance is not only a requirement but also a significant need for the business. Business finance means the most sacral factor of every business requires special attention on it policeman source of it measurement on it investment in a big business house are deep in focus in this conduct known as the finance committee. Business finance meaning the raising and measurement of finance fund by the business organization is called business finance. Paying the financial need, analyzing the requirement, controlling the operation, all the responsibility of the financial manager. This person is courses relative to the top level management team. Business finance refer to the fund need to start a business, operate it and expand in it the future. Funds are needed to acquire tangible assets like furniture, machinery, building, officer and facility as well as intangible assets such as patent, technical assets, and trademark among other things. Aside from the asset listed about the day-to-day operation of the commercial also require cash purchasing goods, paying employment bill and collecting money for consists are all examples of this activity. To substance and expand our business, you must have a certified quality of money. In large firm, major financial decisions are taken by the financial community. They are responsible for the annual budget and so forth. National or business finance. The national of the business finance is abbreviated in the point measured below. Business finance conduct of different kinds of funds, short, medium, and long term, and when required by the business, any type of business need this business finance is the at most for the organization. The volume required differ from the business to business. Small business require less business finance is conducted to the large business firm in different type of the business season. Requirement different in peak season. Business demand for huge business finance. The amount of business finance determine the sales of operation conduct by the company certifies of business finance. A firm with a good count of business firm will require less time and hard less to start the business venture. With the business finance in hand, the owner can buy the raw material as needed for production. The business firm can easily pay his due and other payment with the help of business firm. A certain risk and concern can be taken with business firm in hand. So of business finance, analysis and research of financial statement, financial payment and controlling capital structure measurement, raising capital, investment capital measure the finance. Yes, source of business finance, retaining earning. In most cases, our firm does not pay out all its profit as divine to its shareholder a part of the net earning may be keep in the company for future use. This is referred to as retained profit. It is a source of internal finance, self-finance of all profit, vaulting the amount of profit available for reinvestment in the company in determined by a value of factor including net profit, divine profit policy, and the company age. Private deposit are a deposit raised directly from the general public by the organization. Private deposit interest rates are often greater than those provided on bank deposit. Anyone interested in making a material connection to an organization might do so by company are designed from. In exchange, the organization give a deposit receipt as proof of payment, while deposit receipts are greater investment rate than bank. The cost of deposit to the firm is lower than the cost of bank only. So we see there are many such fundamental in the postman of the business firm. Thus, the final term should carefully execute their essence. Thank you.